Azure Cloud News Service.
Hi there. I'm the Azure News Service and I can read you the latest Azure Cloud News. Asked for the top 5 most recent items or asked to hear items from a specific date.
Latest news.
Here are the most recent 5 Azure News items. Item 1. Transition to new work item integration in Application Insights by the 31st of August 2022. Item 2. Machine Learning Studio, Classic, will retire on the 31st of August 2024. Item 3. Cloud Services, Classic, deployment model is retiring on the 31st of August 2024. Item 4. Azure Data Factory Compute Optimized Data Flows will be retired on the 31st of August 2024. Item 5. Community support for PHP 7.3 is ending on the 6th of December 2021. That's the most recent 5 announcements on Azure.